Hello everyone, Joe Bishop, Bishop Backwoods Survival. I'm out here shooting at a archery target. I'm going to try to put everything in the yellow, and if I'm really good I can put everything inside the yellow that's got the black circle around it. See how it goes. I'm right at about 18 yards. A little high, I gotta bring the shot down a little bit. That's 4, let's go look at it. That's pretty good shooting. I'm going to back up again and shoot one more time. Actually, I'm going to do it from I do it from 15 yards, which is a little bit closer. A lot of people don't practice the close stuff, but if you don't practice all of it, you won't do good at all of it. And everybody thinks, oh, a close shot's going to be easy. Actually, some of the close shots are some of the most missed shots because the animal's picking up movement better, and your overconfidence will get you good. Here's my 15 yards. See that little orange tab? That's my 15-yard marker. Good kids on the back road, maybe they won't cut through. Almost that last shot almost dropped because I didn't draw all the way back. I got lucky and still got into the yellow. At 15, 20 yards, that's plenty good enough shooting to take deer and hog. And you know, if you're taking some of the bigger animals like elk or the mule deer, you know, if you can keep a tight pattern, and that ain't even tight pattern, it could be a lot tighter. I've had arrows on top of arrows, but that's what you gotta do. You gotta get out there and practice, and the only way to get better is by practicing and being able to self-critique. People can't take criticism, or people that are not willing to learn different techniques. So I'm Joe Bishop, Bishop Backwoods Survival. I'm out practicing, doing what I need to do. Y'all have a good day.